Today I'm going to show you how to locate the PLC input card and the output card. Okay guys? Okay, let's start. So this card belongs to AS02, okay? So first we will locate 50803, okay? So as you could see there guys, there is number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So to locate 50803, so we have 5 and then card number 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? So input 3. So that is our input. Okay? So that is track 5. So the output card is 81502. So 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? So we will count now 815. So 8, 1, 2, 3 up to 15. Okay? So the channel is 02. So that is our output card. Okay guys? So this is how to locate the input and output card. Okay guys, so this is how to locate an input and output card. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.